So I'm about to show you guys how to fix a hole. Now this is the very first hole that I've ever had. So if you're looking for like some experienced hole fixer, this is not it. Okay, because I don't get holes. So this is me basically experimenting and showing you what might work. So let's get to it. Now look at this. Somebody come look at this. That is a big hole. Now, I already cut it with my scissors, so like I cut all this little excess off. So this is really just like a big hole. Okay, we're not gonna talk about how the hole got here. Well, actually, yes, we are. So in my last video, I was talking about trimming. So in my last video, I was trimming the rug. You can go and watch that. I was showing you guys how to trim effectively without cutting your fabric. Now, this is before I cut my fabric. And I was using my scissors and I accidentally cut through my fabric. So it's not like I got the whole tufting. So I got it by cutting it. So if you haven't checked that video out, go check it out, and I'll show you some ways that you can prevent cutting your fabric. Now back to this monstrosity. So, like I said before, I cut out a little piece of this. I just cut it off like the end of my frame, right here. As you can see, yeah, I just cut it off from right here. So, I have my hot glue gun, okay? And what I'm gonna do basically is hot glue this piece on there, and then I'm gonna tuft it again. And we're gonna see how this works, okay? Okay, so let's see. Let's get some of this right here. Let's just sort of patch that on here. Okay. So, I've come to the conclusion that that looks a mess. However, it's gonna work. And because I use backing and I'm gonna have that glue on it, you ain't even gonna tell. I'm picking the glue out. You're not even gonna tell. Watch this. From the front, all you can see is that I just need to tuft some. Yep. And that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's looking like. All right, so that's it. And then once I trim this down, you won't even be able to tell. And of course, I'll get all these little white pieces out from the fabric, but yep, hole is right there. Good as new. So, stay tuned. This is the back of it. Now, you see this right here? Sturdy, in place. And I wanted to give a life lesson to people. It don't matter how you got there, as long as you got there. Yeah? So remember that. Write it down. Doesn't matter how you got there. It matters that you got there. And this is a prime example. It might look ugly from the back, but that ugly is gonna be covered up. to create a beautiful thing. And there you have it. It only took one trial. One trial. Now, like I said, there's other ways that you could fix a hole, but that's effective. Quick, simple. For a new person getting into this, this your first hole? This is my first hole. Did I fix it? Yes. Can you fix it? Yes. Do you have to do it my way? No. Was my way effective? Yes. But anywho, if you have any suggestions on how to fix holes and all that, please comment below respectfully, okay? Because like I said, that was my first hole. I've never had a hole. So I'm just doing some trial and error trying to fix this stuff. So please let me know some tips and tricks and gadgets and anything that you can think of that would have been helpful. That was just a quick and easy fix. So please, hopefully I don't have that issue in the future, because I've been more careful and I've learned some ways on how to cut it without cutting my fabric. But yeah, please just let me know in the comments if you know how to fix some holes and stuff, just so I can let other people know, you know, respectfully. But thank you guys for watching, and just stay tuned for my next video.